Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, today has officially been one of the craziest days in the entire crypto space. I am not just talking about the Bitcoin price. It's just been absolutely mental what type of progress we are making right now. A lot has to do with an ETF, but today I'll be showing you guys more news that you need to know about if you're a crypto hodler. And for this video, guys, special little thing, we're giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin if this video can get 2,000 likes within 24 hours. Make sure you smash that like button and put in the comment section down below, just put, yeah, I hodl, or something like that. If you hold Bitcoin, let's get it crack-a-lackin'. It's been a crazy freaking day. All-time high is so freaking close. Now, I'll be talking a little bit about just the crypto news here, but more specifically about just the general situation, man, because this has been literally nuts. I mean, you all saw me open my long positions on Bitcoin at about 48 or so, 49 or so thousand dollars, and we've definitely been doing good on those. I also have a competition running right now, which I definitely recommend you guys to check out. It's $50,000 or 50,000 XRP in total that you guys can win. There's 3 more days and then you cannot register anymore, so be there or be square. I am telling you guys, join it right now because there's only a couple more days to go. And basically what you do is you just trade, all right? It's like you need 250 XRP, you need $100 worth of volume. And right now, this is basically what people are going to start winning at the top. I mean, it's just literally free money. If you're a trader anyway, make sure that you check it out. And I believe that I'm actually this one right here. So I'm going to win 255 XRP for completely free. Little fun fact. So please, guys, take over. If you're good at trading, take over right now. It's an XRP competition. So even though we're not that volatile, I definitely think there's a lot of money to be made. And I want to see you guys compete. Let's see who can trade the best over the last, like 4 days or so. Having said that, Bitcoin broke out a little while ago. I've been sharing like crazy, that we're going to go further and further and further. And I believe most people are on board with some crazy trades too. At least I kind of hope so. Then again, right now we also got some confirmations for basically every altcoin, and basically everything just confirmed that we're going to be going crazy from here. 60,000 was a little ejection point. We bounced back rather quickly after we hit it, but after the ETF news just went completely nutty, we just started going higher and higher and higher. And if I take a look at the total market cap as well, this is insane, right? Today, yes, we actually made a new all-time high for the complete market cap of crypto, which is nutty. Not sure exactly where we're going to close today off because, yeah, I guess we have 2 more hours. Yeah, I believe we have 2 more hours to go. Yes, we have 2 more hours to go. So we're going to see where the day is going to end. But, I mean, everybody right now knows an all-time high is around the corner. And once we get an all-time high, Bitcoin overtakes just a little bit more in dominance. It's just going to go a little bit up, I personally expect. Altcoins are going to flourish like crazy. And funny enough, Bitcoin, I guess, was first, to all-time high. How the tables have turned. Now, I'm also really excited to kind of see how altcoins are going to move over the next couple of days because of this huge move in Bitcoin, but we will see. So let's quickly check out the news, First of all, Steam just banned all games with NFTs or crypto. Valve's reasoning appears rooted in the potential to exchange NFTs for real money. And so they don't really want to mess around with that too much, which I kind of understand. A lot of people out there will lose or win or just kind of be involved with a lot of money. It's not fictitious money here either. And maybe they just want everything to be in their own store. So maybe they'll eventually launch NFTs in there too. But for right now, it's I understand how you do not want that or do not want to be involved with that. I can understand from a company perspective that this is like the policy that you want to take. To actually take one step back, guys, if you're wondering what my trades are, I think you know by now, but I'm just long on Bitcoin and on XRP. I have a couple of accounts that I'm long Bitcoin on. Why? Because it's a long explanation, but let's just quickly take a little bit of a look. Our Bitcoin long, our 15 times Bitcoin long position that I opened live with you guys is right at about 360% profit. We made about $2,500 on this trade. And by the way, I have a philosophy. Let me tell you guys about that. I've been talking to a lot of whales in the space, so to speak, and we basically discuss, is it better to show really big trades or trades that everybody could basically make? I personally philosophize that it's better to show you guys what a little amount of money can do rather than claim and exaggerate and show off how much money we can basically make. So guys, understand that it's not about the balance here. It's first of all about the percentage, but also it's about the idea that this account I started with literally $0 in like profit or so. I just put some money on there. I got the bonus and I've been using the bonus to trade. And now we're in, I guess, how much? Let's quickly check it out, guys. We're in $5,000 profit in such a short amount of time because of trading, which is once more, guys, why I talk so much about it. It's definitely, in my opinion, pretty damn cool. Now, again, another piece of FUD. It's interesting, I guess. Crypto firms Tether and Bitfinex to pay 42.5 million bucks to settle with the US CFTC charges. All I can say about that one is it's interesting, but I'm not really too sure. This battle's been going on for so freaking long. It's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And apparently now they agreed to pay 41 million bucks. I am okay, let's see it get done. A lot of people were speculating that this would be bad for crypto because it would kind of put Tether in a bad light, which ultimately is bad for crypto. And if you're wondering why my sound is a little bit worse than normal, I'm in a bathtub. Little fun fact. I put my recording setup like next to the bathtub, but there's a little bit of an open space, so you can hear the water. Maybe you can hear it now. Yes, I was not joking. The STBC don't joke around with that. We chill, it's the middle of the night. We chill, we record, we make fun, we make trades. Things are good. All right, then Ethereum looks set to explode as 400K Ethereum exits Coinbase. More popular / more important than a lot of people might think. This is actually kind of a precedent for way bigger moves to happen on the Ethereum front. As pointed out by Crypto Quant, about 400,000 ETH or 1.5 billion bucks at the current exchange rate was withdrawn yesterday from the crypto exchange Coinbase. Indicator used here is outflow. Now, let's make one thing really clear. Outflow, we don't know if that's important because it depends on the inflow. If the outflow is 1.5 billion, but the inflow is 7 billion, for example, well, this was a really bad thing and it's really weak, right? It's about the net flow. And the problem is they don't actually show us the net flow right here. So we're not really in a position to know whether or not this is a good or bad deal. They give us like half the story. But the way I've fetched it now from talking to a couple of people are saying it's juicy stuff basically. That because outflow, if it's bigger than the inflow, it basically means that people are not really willing to trade, they're willing to hold. And that's actually kind of interesting happening at such a late stage of the prices because Ethereum is like 10% and Bitcoin is like 10% away from all-time high. Usually there's a lot of deposits at this time because when people get into profit, they want to sell, right? So when people now are so close to all-time high, but yet they withdraw this much, specifically relatively, it's like a lot of money. That's pretty peculiar and that's interesting. And I know, guys, that I'm not talking too much about XRP today, and that's because it's a freaking Bitcoin day. That's also why I want to give away $500 worth of Bitcoin for fun. It's been a crazy freaking day here, man. We're having fun. It's cool to watch this, but it's also just kind of liberating. The fact that Bitcoin is going so freaking huge. But let's actually do 2 steps back. And why is it going huge? Well, Bitcoin all-time high is just a matter of time after a Bitcoin ETF approval looks certain. So I was in the middle of the freaking, I didn't have internet, let's put it like that, when the news really came out, but I was trying my best to still get some content out to you guys. But I saw this breaking NASDAQ listing hints that the SEC may soon approve an ETF application from Valkyrie. NASDAQ's Vice President of Listing Qualifications, Erno Choi, said shares of Valkyrie's Bitcoin ETF had been certified for listing on the exchange. And again, guys, it's just kind of the aggregate of these things. We've been getting the news right now. SEC will allow ProShares Bitcoin Futures ETF to start trading on Monday. This like literally just came out. The U.S. SEC has been putting off allowing a Bitcoin ETF for years, and I've been sharing with you guys that it has to happen in October. They've been stalling. They had to do it actually in September, but they stalled to October. Right now, however, there's no more time for stalling. There's no more second chances, no more nothing like that, so it had to come out right now, and that's again why things are going nutty. Again, if I had to make a choice on buying or selling right now, I saw so many people get wrecked today. We should actually look at BITRUE. I'll record another video after this with some more like other crypto news rather than just like what caused the pump. And I'll talk also a little bit about the liquidation that happened today because so many people that were going short just got liquidated. I think once we pass all-time high, it is going to be price discovery mode. And one of the guys here, Stock Guru, told me we're going to go to like 92,000 or so before we fall back down. Well, my own opinion, guys, we're going to at least see like $80,000 in a really, really short term for Bitcoin. That's my own personal expectation. And I'm not really selling any Bitcoin until we get to that area. If you wanted to short, 60,000 was your only chance to quickly grab some money. However, right now, I think it's going to go too absolutely nutty. And so I'm not shorting anything. I got a lot of Bitcoin set up for the future, but I got more in longs, guys. I got so many longs open right now. I got so much money in longs. Again, understand, this is the YouTube account. We also have another account out there with a very big position open. And I asked, no, I kind of got a conclusion. I'm not showing you guys. Maybe at one point or another, how much is in the account. It's pretty fun. Because I've basically been doing the trades that I've been telling you guys about here, man. If you follow my trades correctly, guys, oh man, it's just crazy. But yeah, we are long on Bitcoin like crazy right now, like crazy. About 15 times, 10 to 15 times leverage because, well, I'm not going to get stopped out anyway. Like Bitcoin going to 46,000 right now. Yeah, that would be interesting, huh? It's going to be crazy, guys. I'm freaking excited. Press that like button if you enjoyed it. Check out the Bybit competition. A link is down below. And I'll definitely see you guys again in another crypto video later today. There's also a Bit event on here. Not sure what it is about, but you might want to check it out as well.